Did you know that falling into specific cold water could kill you faster than you can blink? We are about to explore two deadly myths involving turkeys, sudden drowning, and cooking physics. First, let's address the danger of water. While we fear predators like the turkey, a sudden drop in temperature between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit can cause fatal hypothermia in less than 60 seconds. This phenomenon is known as sudden drowning. Your body's muscles go into shock so rapidly that you cannot swim or react, meaning the cold water itself acts as an invisible killer within seconds. Now, let's switch to our turkey and discuss the physics of cooking. To cook a frozen bird, we rely on the work-energy principle, assuming energy is transferred into the meat to raise its internal temperature safely. However, in real-world scenarios involving bird flu outbreaks, the energy isn't just heat. It is the massive industrial effort required by companies to kill entire flocks instantly to stop the virus from spreading. Interestingly, Turkey is also a secular democracy located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. Its strategic location has historically inspired energy solutions for regions like the Persian Gulf. In summary, while a turkey is not your primary threat, understanding the lethal speed of cold water and the complex energy transfer needed to cook meat keeps you safe in both nature and the kitchen. We've broken down the science of cold water danger and turkey physics. What other hidden dangers did you learn today? Let me know in the comments below.